TE Connectivity's AMPMODU 2mm interconnection system reliably and economically meets the requirements of today's miniature sophisticated electronics. The most common applications for this connector system are in factory automation environments, PLC and I/O devices, servo drives, industrial robotics, and other common industrial controls devices. Other application segments include building and home automation devices, material handling equipment, medical equipment, as well as renewable energy applications. The AMPMODU 2mm system occupies 38% less space on a printed circuit board as compared to traditional 2.54mm centerline connectors. This connector system is available in both board-to-board and wire-to-board mating options, and utilizes a dual-beam contact design to enable 2 points of contact for increased signal reliability during mating. The AMPMODU 2mm connection system is available in 4 types of plating options. All 2mm board-to-board connectors are offered in single and double-row versions, and vertical and horizontal orientations for both headers and receptacles. Surface mount and through-hole mounting options are available, both capable of supporting reflow solder processes up to 260 degrees Celsius. Board mount connectors can be packaged in tape and reel to support automated assembly processes or in tubes, which may be ideal in manual assembly environments. AMPMODU 2mm series connectors are available in single or double-row configurations, offering a variety of board-to-board mating options. Vertical breakaway and shrouded headers allow for parallel mating. Perpendicular mating is achieved with horizontal headers and/or receptacles. AMPMODU 2mm wire-to-board connectors are available without latches, with detent latches, and with positive latches. AMPMODU 2mm wire-to-board receptacles are available in 2 options for discrete wire termination: crimp snap-in contacts and insulation displacement contacts. The crimp snap-in solution requires the wire to be stripped before it can be terminated with a TE manual or automated tooling. Individual terminated wires then get snapped into the connector housing. Contacts are fully inserted once the locking lance is seated against the housing window. Our IDC solution utilizes housing assemblies with preloaded contacts on a carrier strip. IDC housing assemblies can be terminated with the use of TE-designed application tooling. The tool inserts and terminates one unstripped wire per cycle, and then indexes the connector to the next termination position, therefore saving time and cost. After all wires are terminated, the carrier strip is removed, and each contact is pushed further into the housing assembly until the locking lance is engaged, confirming proper insertion. TE Connectivity's AMPMODU 2mm interconnection system is the clear choice for demanding industrial applications, offering a comprehensive, economical, and reliable connector portfolio.